Autonome recently highlighted two products, one being Alvin. Alvin gives an ICP identity and a wallet to machines.
Alvin is the bridge. It gives agency to machines, a persona, ICP identity, and a wallet. To a door lock, a 3D printer, a scooter, or a car. All 4 prototypes are live on ICP today. Cloud Engine clients need sovereign, tamper-proof, reliable software.
Autonome is also shipping Dapster, which is a library of building blocks from wallets to chat, video, audio, forums, and other web apps that snap together into custom dApps with 5 blocks in the MVP.
Dapster is a library of building blocks, 1 per function, plus the fabric snapping them together into new bespoke dApps. 1 protocol, native to ICP, every block earns built-in network effects. Caffeine helps write the blocks. Dapster snaps them together. Battle-tested, composable, institution-ready.
Autonome is leaning into the thesis that agentic organizations in the future will run on hardware, not just software.
Cloud Engines is becoming the de facto cloud for governments, companies, factories, hospitals, warehouses, vehicle fleets. Most of the future agentic orgs will run hardware, robots, machines, devices. And they have a problem. Their machines are not in the world model. They don't have agency yet.
Those machines need agency. And Autonome is just one piece of a much bigger frame that both Dom Williams and Chief Business Officer Pierre have laid out this month. The agentic organization, the cybernetic org, world models, software stacks that let the whole company query itself in real time. One more shout out from the build side. WordPress now runs entirely on-chain on ICP. Full WordPress, WooCommerce, WP Admin, no off-chain databases, no AWS, and the WordPress development was shipped by a community member, not DFINITY. Mikel Adey, on Twitter as @Miadey, M-I-A-D-E-Y. WordPress runs 43% of the entire internet. If it can run sovereign, the on-chain CMS thesis stops being hypothetical and becomes a reality. This is an excerpt from the full ICP Monthly Update Episode 1 video on my YouTube channel, link in the comments below. Make sure to check it out and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.